Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I borrowed some text off an email. Somebody was asking me some questions, and they even asked me if I've got anybody going to Vegas with me this February. Anyway, that's not what the video is about. I've converted this text to a curve. There's no way to edit it now. It's a curve. So how do you get it back where you could edit it if you misspelled something? Well, every version of Windows, or I would think every version of Windows, has a program called Snippet. And Snippet is basically it's a picture taking apparatus. And I'm going to go new, and then you just highlight what you want to take a picture of. Go to File, Save As, and we're going to call it Text. If I could learn how to type. I'm going to call it Text 2. Well, I'm going to call it Text V for video. Then go to your browser and open up Bling, BING.com. Right here, search using an image. Browse. Text V. Open. Copy text. Go back to Corel. Right click your mouse, paste text. It's going to paste it in a paragraph form. Go to text and convert to artistic text. It's the exact same text, but now it's editable. You can make it bold. You could, if you had a word misspelled, you could change it. You could make that word a different font, and save you a lot of trouble from retyping that text to make it look unboldable so it'll look more like the original. Now it's spaced out a little bit different, but you could change that, under your text tool. Just click there and edit your text any way you want to do it. Anyway, pretty cool. So just go to, it's Microsoft Bling, BING.com. It'll come up with this. It'll automatically, well, if you remember, I just went to this camera looking, search an image, browse, TEXTV, open it. I put Z. Open it, and it automatically puts it right there, and then just copy it. Go back to Corel and paste it. It's always going to put it in the center of your page. Text, turn to artistic text, and there you have it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.